Well, every time I come to Pakistan, and I've been coming since the early 2000s, I'm amazed at the speed at which the country is developing, and how it's really becoming the best version of itself, of what it had planned to be back in the days where the country was created. And I think that the education system and higher education is really at the forefront of this development, and leading the way for innovation, creativity, and also entrepreneurship. And I think, in the years to come, Pakistan is going to become the place to be in Asia, and I really look forward to coming back and seeing those changes almost months after months, and obviously NIT is at the forefront of that, and I would not have imagined a university to take that shape and be established when I arrived here first. And it's a testament not just to the vision of this place, but also to the leadership of the country to actually support this project.